Nurturing a vegetable garden is like tending to a little piece of heaven. But sometimes pests like aphids and mites threaten all your hard work. Thankfully, there's a natural solution: ladybugs. These tiny, colorful beetles are powerful allies in organic pest control. Today, let's explore simple ways to invite ladybugs into your garden and keep your vegetables thriving without harsh chemicals. First, create a diverse plant palette. Ladybugs are drawn to gardens rich with flowers, herbs, and vegetables. Marigolds, dill, cosmos, and nasturtiums are excellent choices. These plants not only attract ladybugs, but also provide food sources like aphids for them to feast on. By mixing flowers with vegetables, you create a lively and balanced ecosystem where ladybugs want to stay. Next, ladybugs need safe spaces. Add piles of leaves, stones, or even a small ladybug house to your garden. These shelters protect them from predators and harsh weather. Simple additions like ground cover or a DIY ladybug house made from twigs and straw can make your garden irresistible to these helpful insects. Ladybugs thrive best in gardens free from harsh chemicals. Avoid synthetic pesticides and instead choose organic methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap. These protect your plants while keeping ladybugs safe. Companion planting with herbs like garlic or peppermint can also naturally repel harmful pests and encourage ladybugs to settle in. Don't forget, ladybugs need water too. Place shallow dishes with pebbles and fresh water so they can drink without drowning. Keep your soil moist with mulch, which not only hydrates plants but also provides habitats for beneficial insects. The timing of releasing ladybugs is just as important. The best time is spring or early summer, when pests are active and food is abundant. Release them in the cool evening or early morning, near areas with aphid activity, to give them the best chance of staying in your garden. Ladybug larvae are powerful pest fighters too. Each can eat up to 400 aphids before maturing. Support them by planting flowers like dill or fennel that encourage ladybugs to lay eggs. Be mindful not to disturb larvae, as they may look like small spiky insects but are actually your garden's best defense. Avoid over-fertilizing your plants. Too much nitrogen encourages lush growth that attracts aphids, creating more pests than ladybugs can handle. Instead, use balanced organic compost. Companion planting with marigolds, basil, or onions adds another layer of natural protection while drawing more ladybugs into your garden. Finally, monitor your garden regularly. Keep a simple journal of pest populations and ladybug activity to see what's working best. And most importantly, celebrate your ladybug helpers. Observing them is not only fun, but also a reminder of the beauty of natural gardening. Share your ladybug love with friends, neighbors, or even on social media to inspire others. By welcoming ladybugs into your garden, you create a thriving, chemical-free ecosystem that protects your vegetables and adds natural beauty to your outdoor space. So roll up your sleeves and invite these tiny heroes into your garden. Your plants and the ladybugs will thank you. Be sure to check out this video for more.